As one of last year's winners of Cisco's Changing the Game competition, Craig Luxton from Deluxe Freight Services has a great opportunity to promote his company. We've sent in PR expert Sharon Williams to help.
Right, here is our operations office for line haul for Queensland and Northern Territory. So all services that operate line haul run right here from this room.
And what does line haul mean?
Line haul is B-doubles, multi-combinations running long distances from point to point.
So big trucks?
Big trucks running a long way.
Okay. And tell me about the company. How long have you been going?
Oh, we've been operating for 25 years now as a family business. We have 120 staff. We have 65 trucks operating across the East Coast and into central Queensland and down to Sydney now. We've just started.
And Craig, the growth you've had in the last few years, tell me about that.
Yeah, look, phenomenal growth, Sharon. In the last 12 months, we've grown 72%. Now that puts a massive strain on the business.
Then tell me about a year ago you saw a competition for new IT systems with Cisco.
That's correct. Yeah, we were very fortunate and the timing was ideal. When we were notified of winning the competition was the very day we sat in our management meeting and decided we've got to do something about this communications problem. We're sharing phones, we've got the party line happening with people picking up while other people are on the phone. It was a nightmare, so it couldn't have come at a better time for us.
So how's the technology that you've won helped the business?
Ease of communication. I'll pick up the phone, I hit a button, I'm talking to my manager in Darwin. Pick up the phone, hit a button, I'm talking to my manager in Townsville. Just ease of communication.
And how's the implementation gone? Was it fairly smooth?
Look, we loved the solution and we gave the thumbs up. So they've rolled it out and here it is working today. It's great. They really helped us ramp up our people to the state of play, how the big boys do it, making sure that we're batting with the best of them.
So with a competition, as a marketing and PR girl, I can see lots of opportunities for you to promote the business. What have you done so far, or what have Cisco done with you? Oh,
look, we started with a networking lunch. All the winners gathered at a business lunch down in Sydney. I got to network with the guys there. We've done web forums. We've gone into some magazine articles. So as far as a winner, I couldn't be happier because it's really promoting our business in areas that I'd never even thought of.
So what this competition has given us is a wonderful opportunity for you to build brand. And what I suggest is that at the moment we've got some lovely news to tell. Not only we've got the fact that you've won a competition and you've now got new technology, but we've also got the OH&S and your fantastic safety record. Yes. We've got your driving academy, that's really exciting. We've got family business, so that's an angle. We've got 70% growth, that's a business story. And then of course we've got the technology story. So what you'll do is you'll then look at those key messages and look where you want to get them, where your target audience is. Yep. And they might be the retail press, national press, Chamber of Commerce's, and you'll need to tailor your message to each of those. And that's where you might need a bit of help from an external consultant. People tend to think that as soon as they get some press coverage, the phones are going to start ringing, and that may be the case on certain services and products, but it's not always the case. So what you want to do is maximise that press coverage by putting it into proposals, by getting it up on the website, framing it on the walls, having it perhaps put into DVDs and show them on an event or a party or a breakfast seminar, and put it into your signage. It may not always mean that the phones start ringing straight away, but when you are selling, you'll be able to use it to grease the wheels and hopefully get that sale a bit quicker.
Thanks, Sharon, for all your help.
Pleasure.
To find out how Cisco can help your business and to enter the Changing the Game competition and be in the running to win one of 4 technology makeovers worth up to $50,000 each, just go to yahoo7.com.au/smallbusiness. Sadly, that is our last episode for this series of Business Builders, but don't worry, we will be back later in the year. But if you want any more information on today's episode or any of the previous ones, go to the website yahoo7.com.au/smallbusiness. So until the next series, hopefully your business will continue being a great success. Also on the website we have an exclusive interview with the Federal Small Business Minister Craig Emerson, plus more tips on networking, and you can also find out how Stuart got on at his first networking event. And don't forget to enter Cisco's Changing the Game competition for your chance to win one of 4 technology makeovers worth up to $50,000. Just go to yahoo7.com.au/smallbusiness.